Hello there viewers, welcome back to another new video. Let's talk about belly fat. It's that fat that we want gone like yesterday. And not only it is totally annoying, but that midsection fat is something we want to get rid of for health reasons too. Too much visceral fat can increase our risk of heart disease. Exercising in the morning has many health benefits. Here is 5 morning workouts that can help you get rid of belly fat and boost weight loss. Number 1. Crunches. Crunches strengthen your abdominal muscles with its cool and easy morning exercise. This is one among the best morning exercise for weight loss as the workout strains your abs, burning out the calories. To perform this exercise, lie down on your back. Put your feet on the floor, hip width apart. Now bend your knees and place your arms across your chest. Contract your abs and inhale. Exhale and lift your upper body, keeping your head and neck relaxed. Then inhale and return to the starting position. Do 10 to 15 repetitions every day. Number 2. Russian twist. The Russian twist is a perfect exercise to lose fat in your abdomen area. To do this exercise, sit on the floor with legs spread out straight. Now put your hand together and slowly lean back with your legs and torso form a V shape. This process stimulates your abs. Make sure that your feet do not touch the floor. Twist your torso and hands from side to side. It helps balance your glutes without moving your legs. Do 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 16 repetitions daily. Now before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 3. Sit-ups. Sit-ups are a multi-muscle exercise. This exercise will help you melt the extra fat accumulated in your lower abdomen area. To perform this exercise, lie down on your back. Then bend your legs and place your feet firmly on the ground to stabilize your lower body. Cross your hands to opposite shoulders or place them behind your ears without pulling your neck. Curl your upper body up towards your knees. Exhale as you lift. Now slowly lower yourself down, returning to the starting position. Inhale as you lower. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times daily. Number 4. Lying leg raises. This exercise will help you build abs. To perform this exercise, lie on a mat on the floor, face up, legs extended. Now place your hands underneath your lower back and glutes so your pelvis is supported. Next, begin to raise your legs toward the ceiling, pressing your thighs together and keeping the legs straight. Now lift until your hips are fully flexed, until you can't go any higher with straight legs. Then lower back down and repeat. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times daily. Number 5. Leg in and out. This exercise helps you lose belly fat quickly. To perform this exercise, sit on the floor with your palms down at your sides. Now utilizing your core muscles, bring your both knees into your chest. Hold for 2 counts and then extend both legs away from your center and lean back. That's 1 rep. Do 15 to 20 reps daily. So here you have the best exercises to lose belly fat. Which exercise out of these do you find the most effective? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.